In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, open an email conversation by clicking on the message you want to reference for the meeting. After the email opens, look at the toolbar above the message and click the three vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select Create Event. This will open a Google Calendar event page where you can set up the meeting details. Start by editing the event title so it clearly describes the meeting. Next, adjust the event date fields to select the correct day. Then edit the event time fields to set the start and end time for the meeting. Once the details are correct, click the blue Save button. A prompt will appear asking if you want to notify guests. Click Send to send invitation emails to the Google Calendar guests. After saving, you'll see a confirmation notification indicating that the event has been successfully created. Now let's look at another way to schedule a meeting directly from Gmail. Go back to your inbox and click the Compose button in the top left corner. This will open a new email window. Inside the Compose window, click the three vertical dots in the toolbar. From the options, click the calendar icon labeled Set up a time to meet in the bottom toolbar. When the menu appears, choose Set up a time to meet. At this point, you can choose between two options: create an event or propose times you're free. For this example, select propose times you're free and then click offer available times. On the calendar that appears on the right side, select the time slots when you're available for the meeting. Once you've selected the times you want to offer, click Next. Review the event details such as the event title, duration, and availability. You can also add additional information in the description field if needed. After confirming the details, click Add to Email so the proposed meeting times are included in the message. You also have the option to choose Create an Event instead. If you select that option, simply enter the event title, date, and time. Then click Save, and once everything is ready, click Send in the Compose window to deliver the meeting invitation. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.